getting fat in the Philly blunts of smoke when I deliver on tracks. Constructed on an everyday hump, baseline scrum with just 3 fingers and a thumb. With wasted paragraphs are piling up like bricks. Cement debts, demolish surfaces will come equipped for combat. Cause I shoot craps and don't take notes. Encyclopedias, no medias for snatching niggas' quotes. Jot down, plotting the sound on the next man's inventions. 20 years young, still in contention of a title. No item needed, far from conceded. I cut off his cord, his keyboard bleeding. Correct term, I was bad, I wore him out like Trent. And if I had a capper, I cap a couple to his fucking head. Pop, pop, I hope you know I'm never playing. On time, laying up in hoes, that's fine. With fat backs, I sizzle, flip him over like a bloodhound, tossing, turning, and reminiscing about my sack of sounds. I just picked up from Booty B's, programmed the sequence slams like I do weak MCs, just like that.
You know it's like that, I got it like that. You know it's like that, I got it like that. You know it's like that, I got it like that. You know it's like that, I got it like that. You know it's like that, I got it like that. You know it's like that, I got it like that. You know it's like that, I got it like that. You know it's like that, I got it.
I'm wicked like a witch's brew. My spells repel everlasting lyrics. Expand my clientele with on point. When I grip mics, it's pure danger. Paragraph arranger, concepts are never bitten. When I'm hitting, skins like Sam the Slam. Guts and nuts are getting sprayed like spray cans. Edit mode, it's my man control. Command amps, turn up the ramps for more man souls. Powers, yo, it's plugged up for hours on the clock with no stones. My beats like Pete, this shit rocks hand and cradle. But nothing's in it, my style's exquisite. Stage cracked with every step, cause routines are rigid. Metaphors are misleading, defeating only the toughest. The roughest show, you motherfuckers couldn't snuff this. Competitors are crooked like a faggot on the floor. They want encores from entrepreneurs of soundproofs. Now who's the man like getting Dre? You hear the horns delay, but don't sleep on SOS. Cause I'm playing for keeps, I'm not an Indian giver. Snatch a liver from the back, I'm getting open on the track. Because you know it's like that.
Like that, you know it's like that, I got it like that. You know it's like that, I got it like that. You know it's like that, I got it like that. You know it's like that, I got it like that. You know it's like that, I got it like that. You know it's like that, I got it like that. You know it's like that, I got it like that. You know it's like that, I got it.
Yeah. Sam, son, tell him something. My vernacular is spectacular, pure suburbs, lyrics like a laser. Causing thrillers like me and Fraser, contemplating with imaginary text on text. Ready to swing your pitches, rookies be ample with the samples. Maxell works well when I record from the mixboard that is strapped. This is compact, you know the plastic's fat. When SOS and the rest when that's live archives are acrobatical, dramatical, and always on time reflections. Changing directions when I go deeper. Manhandling undercover scandal like a sneaker, not a reverend or preacher. Multi-track, subtract, loops and troops never underestimate because you know it's like that.
You know it's like that.